The AYOLNY 750W electric mountain bike features a powerful motor that ensures strong acceleration and a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for tackling hills with ease. With a long-lasting battery capacity, this electric bike offers an impressive range of up to 55 miles on a single charge, ensuring extended rides without the worry of running out of power. Designed with durability in mind, the bike's aluminum frame and iron front suspension provide stable rides on rugged terrains, supporting riders weighing up to 330 pounds. Safety is prioritized with an LCD display for real-time data, a front LED headlight, a rear taillight, and mechanical disc brakes, all contributing to a secure and controlled riding experience. The bike arrives 85% pre-assembled, complete with necessary tools and accessories, making it convenient for adults and teens looking for an easy setup and immediate use. This electric mountain bike is ideal for daily commutes, off-road trails, or as a starter electric bicycle, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of riders.